The NASDAQ 100 QQQ so far this afternoon making an unconfirmed breakdown. More on that in a second. I received notice that a bond that I own, a corporate bond issued by JP Morgan, is being called away from me. It has still a year to expiration, but JP Morgan essentially has decided that they believe that to buy that bond back is more beneficial to them, because what are they going to do? They're going to buy that bond back, clear that debt, and then they're going to reissue new debt at a lower interest rate, because interest rates have absolutely come down over the last year and a half. So they've decided it's beneficial for them. I don't so much love it, because I was really enjoying collecting that more than 6% annual coupon, that interest rate per year, but things happen. Specifically, if you'd like to look this up, the QSIP number is 46647PCX2. So on Monday, they will call that bond, meaning they will buy it back at $1,000, that par value that it was initially issued at, and the debt will be over. The issuing company here, JP Morgan, is buying back that debt early rather than letting it mature and go another year. So that's that. So on Monday, the par value of the bond that I initially bought gets deposited back into my account, because the agreement is over, and then I can do what I want with that newfound money in my account. I can buy another bond or anything else that I want, a CD, any kind of equity investment, but it's my choice in what I do with that. But an interesting real-time, real-life story I wanted to share with you. This is not investment advice, and if you don't know me, I'm John Crocker, professional investor, proud American, cigar lover, and owner of Crocker Capital, LLC. The NASDAQ 100 QQQ as of 2:48 this afternoon Eastern Time, making an unconfirmed breakdown below that white upsloping trend line. So this negates the unconfirmed breakout we had above that top white line at about $538 a share, now unconfirmed on the breakdown. The bullish case from here is tomorrow, or most likely tomorrow. Let's say that the NASDAQ 100 QQQ finishes above about $538 a share. That would negate the unconfirmed breakdown. We'd go back to an unconfirmed breakout above that other price point. Even more bullish if we can then confirm the breakout, and at that point the sky is the limit. Also, like I shared with you yesterday, the bearish cases are that we make an unconfirmed breakdown by 4 o'clock today, close meaningfully lower tomorrow, confirming that breakdown. Even more bearish than that, that's only slightly bearish in my opinion, even more bearish than that would be making it a confirmed breakdown below about the $530 a share level, but a little bit of patience, let's see what happens. Because of today, I'm not making any moves. I'm not hedging my account in any way. I'm certainly not a buyer, because I don't want to be a buyer when the underlying mood swings are anywhere between neutrality and mild to moderate happiness. Don't want to be a buyer. So a little patience. Let's see how this plays out. West Texas Intermediate crude oil as of about 2:39 this afternoon. Higher on the day, but way off of the intraday highs. Looks like it could close below and make that unconfirmed breakout above $32.34 a barrel. If it does, and if it confirms higher tomorrow, confirming the breakout, yes, I will most likely reverse my short crude oil position, because I'm not willing to let it go any longer than that. If crude oil prices are lower tomorrow, I will let my short ride. As of about 2:45, the natural gas here undoing some of the unconfirmed breakouts above about the $22.39 per cubic foot level, and undoing the unconfirmed breakout above, well, really it's still an unconfirmed breakout above $20.90 a cubic foot. We only so far have the confirmed breakout above $19.48 a cubic foot. So on a technical basis here, natural gas can easily come down to $2.90 or even lower. Let's see what happens. If you decided that it was right for you today to either start a new short position in natural gas or add to your short position, could have been a good day to do it.